Hello students, let's do the cherry wedge rule. Find the vertex x and y given the following equation. So we have y equals negative 2x squared plus 20x plus 15. A value, B value, C value. That's probably going to help us because the x value of our vertex is always going to equal negative b over 2a. That is the vertex finder. It's going to be your best friend when you have quadratic equations. So negative b, it's going to be negative 20. And then 2a, I always like to do 2a mentally. 2 times a negative 2 is a negative 4. So negative 20 over negative 4 is going to be a 5. So the x value to our vertex is 5. Now, x values are also known as inputs, and then the y values are also known as outputs. So if you have a 5 for your input, put it into the equation. So I'm going to take x out, and I'm going to put 5 in. So negative 2 times 5 squared. I like to draw my equations with brackets. It's just a good habit to get into, especially if you have negatives. You don't want to calculate negatives wrong. Here we go. Let's see, 5 squared is 25 times a negative 2 is negative 50. 20 times 5 is 100. And then plus 15. That's pretty easy to do. Negative 50 plus 100 is 50. 50 plus 15 would be 65. There we go. So my input was 5. My output was 65. Therefore, the vertex of negative 2x squared plus 20x plus 15 is the coordinate point 5 and 65. I actually have this graphed already as well. I went to Desmos and I plugged in that equation, that function, and as you can see we have negative 2x squared plus 20x plus 15, and here is my parabola. I click on it, boom, right there, look at that, 5 and 65, graphed beautifully, look at that. All right, cool. That's how you find the vertex. You can do the vertex finder, or you can go to Desmos and graph. Either way, vertex, easy to find. See you in class.